educators and people who are watching this video. My name is Shahrukh Sheikh and I'm from Student Alliance community. So the earlier OLABS version, we were talking about different experiments that we had. A lot of people would think, okay, is there just one feature? Well, let me just amaze you here. You see, there are different types of subjects, for example, for 11th and 12th physics, wherein with just these physical experiments, your love for physics would just grow better. Now let us check friction, which is very interesting chapter. And in this, click on your simulator. Now, most of the time when you have questions in your NEET and JEE, they ask you the type of material. For example, if it is wood, if it is steel, or if it is something else. So here, I can select the block material, I can select the surface material, I can select the weight of the block, and you will see your animation here. Similarly, in case I want to reset it, I want to change the weight of the block, and I want to keep a hanging weight, you will see the normal reaction of friction as to how it will move on. With this visualization, physics friction chapter becomes much more easier to you compared to just watching videos or reading from textbook. Thank you so much.